Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome back. So I know you haven't seen me in a while, but I've been actually building and doing some drone projects, which I'll be sharing in the upcoming days. And also I've been doing a bunch of flying, which is going to be really fun. So I just got this in my email box, and I wanted to quickly share it with you before they run out. It's basically a coupon code list that expires after tomorrow. After tomorrow, depending on where you're at, but theoretically after tomorrow. And yeah, you could find the codes here. It's linked down below. Now, one thing to take in mind, anything I highlight in yellow, something to look at. Anything in red, you really want to avoid. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to go through this list while the video is uploading, and it'll be linked down below again. You could just download it and go ahead and go through this. So some of these are limited, so keep that in mind, and make sure you click the link before you actually use the coupon code, or they won't work. Because I think some people get unique coupon codes to work, but I'm not sure about that. That's what I was told. But yeah, just to let you know there. And well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.